묻어져가는 우리 사이 왜 눈치 못 챘을까 내 시선은 너 하나뿐이었지 단 한 번도 I never thought you wanna leave me for another Thought it was all make-believe 아직 몰랐던 아픔들이 곧 따라오네 맹목적으로 너를 믿은 나 결국 다 어리석은
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is on some hair that I did receive from Lockbraids, and I'll have the details on all the hair down below. This is the 18-inch, and I already installed the braids for the miracle knots, and I just added one curl to the end of each of the braids. So this is how far I've gotten. If you want to see how I start and do all the way up to this section, I will link a video down below. I have so many videos on how to do miracle knots and how to get started. So you basically just make your box braids, you just braid your own natural hair down, and you just add one piece of the human hair feather crochet at the end and braid it in. You can either use a rubber band to close it off or edge control. Okay guys, it's been quite a long time. I have still been rocking this hair, and I need to show you guys the update on this hair. I've been wearing it for a month now, and I have been loving wearing this hair. It's been so easy to maintain, and I just love the styling of these miracle knots. There are some things I want to do. I'm gonna add a few more pieces to these miracle knots at the top, because these ones I didn't put any pieces through here. I only have pieces at the end, but I'm gonna put a couple pieces through here. All the other braids have multiple pieces through them, and I want to do that for these ones at the top here. My hair has been growing out. It's been growing out for a month, and I think it still looks great. So this is not only a miracle knots install, but it's also a 1 month review, because I've been wearing the hair for 4 weeks. So right now, obviously the hair needs to be detangled, the hair needs to be freshened up, my baby hairs need to be laid down, and I need to add a couple more pieces at the top. But it's a good thing I still have a few more pieces, so I'm gonna go ahead and do all of those things. I'm gonna hop in the shower because I'm just coming from the gym. I have been trying to get back to my workout routine. If you guys want to know my workout routine, I will absolutely post that at some point. I try to go to the gym every other day. That's kind of hard for me now because my gym is a little further away. My gym used to be walking distance, and I canceled my subscription because it was a little high, my membership. But now I feel like it's worth being a little higher. If I can just walk there, I'll go way more often, because having to drive to the gym, I have not been going as consistently or often as I need to or I used to, and I was doing way better when it was right here in my neighborhood and not a driving distance away. Not sure why I got off on that tangent. Y'all don't care about the gym, y'all care about this hair. So I am going to go ahead, hop in the shower, I'm going to detangle the hair, add a few more pieces in, and then you guys will be able to see this hair on its finished look, and I'll give you guys all my thoughts and opinions and the products that I use to maintain this hair and the styles I've been wearing this hair in, because down I feel like it's not as super flattering, but when I wear it up and in the different styles I've been wearing it in, I've been getting so many compliments on this hair. People just absolutely have been loving it, and so have I, because y'all know I don't wear hair for a month and a half. Like, that's not me, that's unheard of. And so if I've been wearing it for this long, it must be good. I'll give you guys all the tea when I get back and the hair is finished up. Hey, so just wanted to come back real quick and show what the hair looks like when I added those 2 pieces on each one of those braids that didn't have any pieces added. So this is what it looks like after adding those 2 pieces, and I really like how much more full it is now at the top. And yeah, so I went ahead and washed the hair, conditioned it, detangled it in a shower, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going through it with a Denman brush to detangle some more, and then I'll come back with my makeup on and style the hair.
Both of us were always trying to be optimistic, but we struggled to find what was meant to be important. Yeah, we kept getting hurt, tired and exhausted. It costed, what did it cost? Everything. Man, I need a magic bullet straight through my head.
And here is the end result of washing the hair, detangling it, and letting it air dry. I actually didn't put anything on the hair. No oil, no leave-in conditioner, no mousse. Sometimes I like to do that because I don't want the hair to have too much buildup or too much product on it. Depends on the look I'm going for and the type of curl pattern it is. This curl pattern I feel like looks really pretty when it's not weighed down and doesn't have a lot on it. And I find it more manageable when I do it this way. I did use some edge control on my edges, laid those down, but I do want to show you all a bunch of styles, well, not a bunch, a couple, probably like 4 styles that I've been wearing this hair in that have absolutely been my go-to and have really saved me in still allowing my hair to be versatile and allowing me to do multiple different things with it while still keeping the hair in. I change my hair so often. I just like my hair to look different all the time. I get very bored very easily, especially with my hair. So having a style that is versatile that I can wear in a lot of different ways really helps for me because I don't get so tired and annoyed and ready to change it so quickly. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys a couple styles that I do with this hair while I tell you what I think about the hair and give my honest review.
결국 다 어리석은 생각 now I know what it means to be foolish 나의 예상 못했지 clueless 두 한쪽에 눈물 흘러 행복해 보고 싶었었지 시간이 갈수록 baby I still see
So in conclusion, I absolutely love this hair. These styles came out so cute. I love wearing them and I'll definitely be doing this style again. I will be reusing this hair because it lasts, it's great quality, it's soft, it doesn't tangle easily, and I just love the curl pattern and how it looks. It'll be perfect for the summer and another install. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.